It's not fair, Horace, me lad. It's just not fair. How come she gets off with probation and a restraining order?
While we's left rotting away in here.
Off your bums, lads. Sprung for your bail, somebody has.
It must be Mum come to spring us.
Mum never liked me. Must be good old Dad.
Dad never liked you either.
Jasper! Horace! It's time to finish the job.
Oh no, not her. We always get the worst end of it with her.
Well, if she wants us to work for her this time, we won't be made fools of.
You look just like Mum.
Shut up, you. I ain't going through with this, I tell you. I ain't.
Here he comes now.
Oh.
Go on,
Go,
Jasper.
go on, go.
Afternoon, love. Something I can... something I can do for a pretty young lady like yourself.
Of course you can, you naughty man. You can just give me this chocolate.
Woohoo, they're all inside, Jasper. Go ahead and start it up.
Whatever in the world?
Ow! Hey, where's he going? Canine crunchies! Hey, canine crunchies!
Woohoo, it worked, Jasper.
Like a dream, Horace, me lad. Like a dream.
You! I should have known it was you terrible men. Now let those puppies go right now, or I'm going to knock the stupid out of both of you.
In our lady, we don't want to have to hurt you none. So... Right, that's it then. I've had just about enough of this. There now. That ought to hold you right and proper.
Jasper,
What?
can we just go back to jail now?